Hi, in this video, we will see how to restore an undated golden record. As you can see, we are in stewardship page, and these are the active golden records. To see the records that are undated, we can switch to undated tab. This is the record that I have previously undated. To restore this record, we have to simply click this undate, click actions, and choose restore this record. So I'll go ahead and click this. We'll be asked to confirm whether we want to restore this record. We can click OK. As you can see, the record is no longer available under undated. Let's switch to active tab. And yeah, this is the record that we have restored. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for your time.